Morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Is my audio clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Good morning,
Ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Fine. Thank
Ma'am.
you.
Ma'am, tomorrow is my birthday, Janita.
Who is that? Janita's. Okay. Okay. Yes.
How are you,
Okay.
ma'am?
So last week we finished the poem "O Nani, Tell Me a
Tell
Tale."
me a
Yes.
tale. Yes.
Yes. So Pranav, can you tell me? Can you just summarize the poem for us?
Pranav finish Niharga 10.
Yes, Pranav. Pranav, can you just summarize the poem?
Oh, Nani.
What is the poem telling us?
Oh, Nani, tell me a tale of
Yes, Pranav?
fairy friendly dog that wags its tail
Hmm.
of hills and valleys
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
forest green
Hmm.
of little fairies and their queen.
Hmm.
Oh, Nani, tell me a tale of lion and tiger and
Okay, Pranav, wait. Pranav, you're reading the poem for me. I don't want you to read the poem. Who can summarize the poem? Tell me on the whole what you understood from the poem. Anybody? Yes, Heaven wants to do. Yes, Heaven.
ma'am,
Hmm.
a girl
Hmm.
tell
Yes.
her grandmother
What does she tell her grandmother?
to tell
Hmm.
tales.
To tell her stories. Okay, yes.
Not friendly dog
Uh,
and valley,
hmm.
forest green,
Hmm.
fairies and their queen.
Can you speak a little louder, Heaven? She is telling her grandmother to tell her stories about a friendly dog, hills, valleys, forests. What else?
Lions,
Lions. Okay.
tigers,
Hmm.
sheep,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
snake.
Hmm.
He
Okay. Okay, Heaven. Good try. So the poem is telling us about a little girl who is asking her grandmother to tell her stories about friendly dogs, hills, forests, valleys, fairies and fairy queens, lions and tiger and ships and of heroes who win wars. And she also tells that she wants to hear stories about the sun, moon, and stars. And finally, she tells her grandmother that she will not forget the stories that she hears at bedtime. Okay, now we shall move on to the question answers. Okay, so look at the first, open page number 4. Page number 4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
take.
Yes, so Arfin.
Ma'am,
Yes, Arfin, Mention any 3 things that the child wants to hear stories about.
Double story.
Huh?
Friendly dog. Sail.
Friendly dog, then
Hills and valleys.
hills and valleys. Okay.
Fairies.
Fairies. Okay, very good. She wants to hear stories about a friendly dog, hills and valleys, and fairies. So what we will do is, they have asked, mention any 3 things that the child wants to hear. So you can say hills, valleys, and forests. You can also say fairies, ships, and heroes. It is also correct. I am just telling you 3 things simple to remember: hills, valleys, and forest. If you write any other thing also, the answer is correct. Okay, second one. Second one, Rashid. Rashid, please unmute. Rashid, name the 3 things in the sky that the child wants to hear stories about.
The sun.
Ah.
And moon. And stars.
Yes, the sun, the moon, and the stars. Okay, that is very simple. Okay, next one. I shall ask Rex. Yes, Rex.
Yes,
Name the animals mentioned in the poem. Name the animals mentioned in the poem. Rex, quick.
Friendly dog, lion, and tigers.
Yes, dog, lion, and tiger. Okay, Nora.
Yes, ma'am.
What do the heroes in the poem do?
Heroes in the poem do who win the wars.
Your answer is correct, but the sentence is wrong, Nora. The heroes win wars. That is all you have to say. Okay? What do the heroes in the poem do? The heroes win wars.
Heroes win wars.
Yes. Okay. So the 4 question answers only we have. The other 2 are value based. That we'll not do now. So shall we write down these 4 question answers?
Yes.
Yes. So you can write it down in the textbook itself. You have place over here. You have place here. Please write it down there. Okay. So we have, this is page number 4, exercise 2. Exercise 2. Question number 1. I am not writing the question, only the answers. So you also just write down the answers. Mention any 3 things that the child wants to hear about. That is the first question. Mention any 3 things that the child wants to hear about. So we have hills, valleys, and forests. Okay, hills, valleys, and forests. Hills, valleys, and forests. Mention any three things that the child wants
Ma'am,
to.
finish.
Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
which page?
Who is this who's asking me the page number now? Huh? After 10 minutes of the class, you are asking me page number. Page number 4. Mention any three things that the child wants to hear about hills, valleys, and forests. Okay, second question. Name the three things in the sky that the child wants to hear stories about. Name the three things in the sky that the child wants to hear about. So you have the sun, the moon, and stars. The sun, moon, and stars. Name the three things in the sky that the child wants to hear about. The sun, the moon, and the stars. Okay.
Not finish.
Yes, the third question. Name the animals mentioned in the poem. Name the animals mentioned in the poem. So you have dog, lion, and tiger. Dog, lion, and tiger.
Finish, ma'am.
The animals mentioned in the poem: dog, lion, and tiger. Okay. And the last question is, what do the heroes in the poem do? What do the heroes in the poem do? The heroes win wars. The heroes win wars.
Finish.
The
Finish,
heroes
ma'am.
win wars. Okay. Finish that, all of you?
Yes.
Manuel, have you finished writing?
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Okay, okay. I will give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes more. Those who have not finished writing, please write. Those who are still writing, please write. Others, please sit quietly. Let everyone finish. Mention any three things that the child wants to hear about hills, valleys, and forest. Name the three things in the sky that the child wants to hear stories about. You have the sun, the moon, and the stars. Name the animals mentioned in the poem: dog, lion, and tiger. And the fourth question, what do the heroes in the poem do? The heroes win wars. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Those who are writing, please hurry up.
My finish one.
Okay.
Finish.
Ma'am, 1 LKGA children.
Huh?
LKGA children.
Must have entered by mistake.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to stop share now and we will go on to the next exercise. If anybody is still left to write, I will send these question answers by WhatsApp. Don't worry.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
please listen. Open page number 8. Now, after 10 minutes, don't ask me which page number. Open page number 8.
Hello. എപ്പോഴാണ് ക്ലാസ്? അയ്യോ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിടാന്ന് കരുതിട്ട് ഇപ്പൊ എടുത്തപ്പോ വേറെ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ കിട്ടണേ.
Kindly please mute the audio, whoever has entered now. Yes. Okay. Have you opened page number 8?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. So we have a picture comprehension. That is, you are given two
Yes.
pictures. You have to look at the picture and answer the questions. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now look at the first picture. You can see a king, queen, a castle, trees, all that you can see. Okay. Janita.
Ma'am,
Janita, we can see dash flags on the palace.
3.
3. Yes. So tick mark 3. We can
Option
see
C.
3 flags on the palace. So please tick 3. Okay. Emmanuel. No rest. Emmanuel, the king and the queen look dash. Sad, angry, happy, surprised. Huh?
Happy.
Happy. Yes. Okay. The king and the queen look happy. Sarah. The king and the queen are wearing dash. Hats, turbans, caps, crowns.
Hat.
Huh?
Hat.
Hat. The king is wearing a hat. Sarah.
Hat.
Serafina, what is the king wearing?
Crown.
Crowns. Yes, the king and the queen are wearing crowns.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we don't write the 3 question.
Third question. Name the animals mentioned in the poem. Okay, sorry. The king and the queen are standing in front of dash palace. Avantika. The king and the queen are standing in front of dash palace.
Our.
No. The king and the queen are standing in front of dash palace. Yes, Nora.
There.
Their palace. Yes. The king and the queen are standing in front of their palace. Okay. And the last one, the fifth one. There is a dash in front of the palace.
Ma'am,
Yes, Suhana.
ma'am, for question what?
Fourth question, the king and the queen are wearing crowns. Parvana,
Yes, ma'am.
there is a dash in front of the palace.
Cloud.
No, that is behind the palace. What is in front of the palace? Lion, stream, bird, cloud.
Stream.
Stream. There is a stream in front of the palace. There is a stream in front of the palace. Okay. And now look at picture 2. Picture 2. Okay. Anamika?
Ma'am.
Dash children are painting the wall.
5.
Painting. How many are painting the wall?
2.
2. 2 children are painting the wall. Okay. Pranav. The child in the green t-shirt is dash. The child in the green t-shirt is dash.
Painting.
What is the child in the green t-shirt doing, Pranav? Devamitra, what is the child?
Running.
Running. Yes, running. The child in the green t-shirt is running. Okay, next one. Dash children are playing Holi. Dash children are playing. Serafina, can you please mute your audio? Dash children are playing Holi. Heaven, yes.
The children are
Very good. The children are playing Holi. The children are playing Holi.
Ma'am, finish.
Yes. Okay. Devamitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Children use dash to make colored water. Crayons, vegetable color, colored powder, salt.
Children use dash to make colored water, crayons, vegetable color, colored powder, salt. The answer-
Color.
Colored powder, yes. Okay. And the last one, Agnes Wilson.
Ma'am.
We play Holi using water balloons and dash. Sticks, fire, water guns, stones.
Water gun.
Water guns. Okay. We play Holi using water balloons and water guns.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, so that is, we have finished the textbook exercise. Tomorrow we will do the workbook exercise. Okay, now before that we will just discuss these value-based questions. Okay. Heaven?
Ma'am.
Okay. Do you think the child is close to her grandmother?
Yes.
Yes. Why do you think so?
Hear stories.
Huh?
Hear stories.
What is it?
To hear stories.
She is asking her grandmother to tell stories. Okay, so she is close to her grandmother. That is why she's asking her grandmother to tell stories. Okay. Another one I want to know is describe something you would like to do with your grandparents or someone in your family. Who is going to answer that? What would you like to do with your family or your grandparents?
Ma'am,
Yes, Pranav, what would you like to do?
play.
Play with your grandparents.
I'll help him.
Ma'am,
Uh,
Ma'am, Agnes.
yes,
Ma'am,
Agnes.
Agnes. That I will help him.
Help him means
I
who is.
will.
What would you like to do with your grandparents or family? Huh?
Games.
Make something.
Make something like what?
Ma'am,
Yes, Heaven.
gardening.
Gardening. Okay, you would like to do gardening with your parents or grandparents. Okay, very good. So these are the two value-based questions. This you can attempt by yourself. I am not going to tell you the answer for this because this you have to write your own answer. Okay, so tomorrow we will continue with that workbook and I will also give you a small test. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.